Hello, hello, workplace innovators. If you're like me, you like building solutions that solve problems. One of the challenges in building solutions in one of your favorite toolkits, Spreadsheets, one of the top 10 dysfunctions here is row size limits. What do we mean by that? Well, let me just demonstrate. Let's say you are building out a spreadsheet and maybe even you start to automate that and it's got data input like a log. From some other sort of third party. You started hooking it together with Zabbix or some other connection tool. Well, what can happen inside of Google Sheets is that we can hit big old errors. And the same thing is true over in Excel, though those errors are not as pronounced. You'll see right down here at the bottom of your Excel document, if you hit Command down arrow, that there's a limit, there's a cutoff. And in general, as an innovator, we don't love limits, right? Those can hold us back. And you can get into the details here. Okay, so Google Sheets has 1 million rows. Well, it depends upon how many columns you have. And Excel has, about 1 million rows. Again, it depends on the data. Well, if you come over into a robust database application platform like Claris FileMaker, boy, you're going to see that you get theoretical limits. I like the sound of that, right? You can just build up these files as big as your drives can handle. And those drives can be things like, well, actually it's an Amazon AWS drive, or it's on your Azure stack. So that way you're able to kind of push beyond some of those limits. I was a little curious myself and built a little file where we just imported that sample data set again here, and we're at 999,999. Okay, what's going to happen? Okay, we created our millionth record, no issues. In fact, I wrote a little script also to just bring in sets and sets of data, bigger data. We can see we can run that script and no issue, right? So the data file size is going to continue to grow. That's just bits and bytes. That's how any database is going to work. But if you're creating solutions that are inside of a robust and scalable platform, you're going to be happy downstream. That's what we got for you. Thanks so much.